Hi, hello students. How are you today? Are you okay? Okay, oh, okay, or KO. I am okay. I hope you are okay too. First of all, let me say that I know we should be at the school already this week, but we are not. So we are going to move our test to the next week or the next. I don't know. We are going to do the test the day that we are going to go to the school again. Okay, I hope it's next week because I would like to meet you at the school again. So today we are going to continue with the contents in your book, and we have a new unit. Okay, we are going to start a new unit, unit number 3. Okay, talking about decimals is really close, is really similar to fractions, but today we're going to learn what is it about. Okay, can you repeat with me the word, please? Decimal, decimal, decimal. Perfect. Okay, the word decimal is the key word. Today we are going to brush up just that and do some exercises together, and I'm gonna use my notebook to show you. Okay, I'm gonna go to my notebook. This is, and you can follow my explanations with your book. Okay, with your book, because I'm going to explain from things from the book. So if you can, you please open your book, page number, for example, 96. Okay, here we talk about decimals. Okay, first of all, how to represent decimals, or what does it mean, the decimal? So here you have an example. Okay, you have a unit. This we call it a unit. Okay, all inside this equals 1. Okay, but same than in fractions, this unit we can divide. Okay, we can divide. In this case, we're going to divide into 10 parts. Okay, 10 parts. In this case, if it was a fraction, we will say that, for example, if we color over here, let's use okay, we color 1. In fraction, we will say that this is 1 part out of 10, because there are 10 parts and just 1 is colored, right? But this time we are talking about decimal. Okay, so how to write this fraction as a decimal? Well, when we have the whole picture filled is 1, right? So starting from that concept, if it's not full colored, is 0 and then a point. Okay, after, in this place, okay, we can write that if there are 10 parts, just 1 part is colored. Okay, this is 10th place. So each figure, every figure that is divided in 10 parts, you can put a mark here. Okay, this is the place we are going to fill. How many parts do you see colored? 1, so you write 0.1. For example, if there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it would be 0.5. What happens if it's 5, 6, 7, 8? 8 parts, so it should be 0.8. And what happens if it's one more? 9. 0.9. And what happens if it's full colored? So, as you know, it would be same like this, 1. Okay, so this is 1 decimal digit. Okay. One decimal digit. What happens with 2 decimal digits? Like, for example, this place is tens place, so we know that each figure that is divided in 10 parts, okay, we have to fill this number. But there's another place here. This is hundreds. Okay, hundreds place. In this case, we have to fill these two numbers, counting on a figure that is divided into 100 parts. Okay, so for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and then 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm not good in drawing, I'm sorry. Okay, so here we have 10 parts and 10 parts. 10 multiplied by 10, we have 100 parts. Okay, so in this case, for example, if we color this the whole column, it would be 10 parts out of 10. Okay, 10 parts out 10 parts out of 100. Okay, how should we write that? 10. Okay, so as you see, it's not 0.1 and 0.10. okay, it's different meaning. Okay, so what about if we have 10 and then 1, 2, 3 more? So it would be 1.13. okay, easy. For example, what happens if we have just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? So it would be 0.05. okay, what happened if it's 10, 20, 30, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65? So the same. 65, sorry, 65 parts out of 100, which means that the decimal number is 0. You know, 6, 5. Okay, as you see, number 6 is in tens place. This is tenths place, and number 5 is units. Okay, so we write in hundreds place. Okay, with this point, this 2 point, this is 2 decimal digits. Okay, 2 decimal digits. Okay, now let's make some exercises together to clear it up. For example, page number 97, exercise number 1. Page number 97, exercise number 1. 1, 1. Okay, here we have 2 whole units like this, and 1 more unit that is divided in 10. Okay, so the first unit is full colored, the second unit is full colored, and the third unit has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so what number does it represent? Here you have 2 spaces, okay, like this. One is for numbers and other is for words. Okay, numbers and words. So this figure represents 1 because it's full color. This figure represents 1, and this figure represents 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so altogether is 1 plus 1, 2 point plus 0.5, 5. Okay, you can write with letters like this: 2.5. Okay, it could be also 3 digits. Okay, 3 digits decimal, like exercise number 3, page number 98. Exercise number 3. Okay, as you see, there is a cube. Okay, cube. With 10, 10 parts in each face of the cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so in the whole cube there are 1000 pieces. Okay, and the number of units that we color in this cube we write in the 3rd decimal place. Okay, that is thousandths place. So for example, in exercise number 3, page number 98, here how many units do you see? There are 2 columns. Okay, we are going to put it apart. There are 2 columns like this, 2 columns of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm so bad with this. Let's do it again. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So each column equals like this, equals 10. There are 2 columns, 3 columns like this, no? So we have 30, and then we have another small column like this with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6. Okay, like this. So it equals 5. Okay, so 30 plus 5, 35. Okay, 30 plus 5 equals 35. So now we know there are 35 parts out of 1000. Okay, how to represent that in decimal? You have numbers and words. Okay, so it's not full, so it's 0 point, and when we talk about 1000 pieces we have 3 numbers, so we fill number 5 here, number 3 here, and this is 0. Okay, if one full face, for example this, is filled, it would be 0.100. Okay, but not even one face is filled, just 35 pieces in the first face. So we can say that this number represents 0.035. How to write it? 0.035. 0.0 and then 3.5. Okay, this is an important thing and I forgot to tell you. When we have, for example, let's imagine just one example, 4.27 or 271. We don't say 4.271. Okay, we don't. We say 4.271. Okay, we call all the numbers one by one. This is important. Okay, I forgot to tell you. Good, perfect. So now you can finish the page number 98, exercise number 2. Okay, and okay, I want to do more examples with you because maybe it's difficult. It's still difficult for you. Okay, so page number 98. Okay, page number 98. Exercises, let's say for example 2, 3, the most difficult. Okay, 2, 3. In this exercise says 256 parts out of 1000 equal parts. Okay, so it's talking about 1000. It means that our figure is a cube, and we know that in the cube we have 1000, and they are colored. They have colored just 256. Okay, so the decimal number should have 3 decimal digits. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So let's fill 6, 5, 2. This is the number. Okay, 0.256. Okay, this is the answer for that exercise. Now in the number 3 you have to do the same, but this time you have to write in words. Page 98, exercise 3, for example 4. Okay, 3, 4. Here say 2.009 is read as how much? Sorry, how you read? Well, just as we said, okay. 2.009. Okay, this is how we read. It's pretty easy. Okay, next exercise, page 98. Exercise number, let's say 4. Which one you want? 4.3. Okay, 4.3 we have the number in words. 2.045. 2.045. Okay, what's the number? 2.045. Okay, this is the number you need to write. Okay, so now you can do page number 98 as a homework. Okay, still having to do some of the exercise I didn't do for you, so now you can try to do it by yourself. So that's all for this video. Okay, we have learned many things about decimals, and remember, homework for today is just page number 98. Page 98. So have a good week, and I hope to see you very soon at the school. Bye bye.